Today, we're going to create something completely new and unique. First, take a look at this YouTube channel. It has only 27K subscribers, but its estimated monthly income is truly surprising, around $21.6K. Yes, that's over $21,000 every month, which is an incredible amount. If you look at the videos, you'll see that many of them were uploaded just a few months ago. One video has already reached 2.9 million views, while another has crossed 1 million views. This clearly shows how well this type of content is performing. You can also create these training-style videos easily using AI. So, let's get started and learn exactly how to create these training videos from scratch. Before we begin, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn how to create professional AI training videos quickly and easily. First, open ChatGPT and copy the blue prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then ask you to provide the YouTube channel links. Open the YouTube channel you want to recreate, copy 1 or 2 of its channel or video links, and paste them into ChatGPT. After analyzing the channel, ChatGPT will ask for the remaining prompts. Now copy red prompt 1, red prompt 2, and the blue prompt. Then paste them into ChatGPT. It will generate everything you need, including a 150-word story, image prompts, and video prompts. Once everything is ready, open Leonardo.ai. Click Start, set the model to auto, and change the image size to 9:16. Now copy each image prompt one by one and paste it into Leonardo.ai. The images will start generating immediately. After a short time, your images will be ready. Repeat the same process for all the prompts until every image has been generated. Now that all the images are ready, I'll show you how to create the videos for free. To generate AI videos for free, open the website freevideogen.online. It's an excellent platform for creating AI videos at no cost. Once you open the website, click on Upload Image and select the image you want to animate. After selecting the image, click Continue. Next, enter your video prompt. Generate video. As you can see, the website converts the image into a video very quickly. Within a short time, your AI video will be ready. The result is impressive. The still image is transformed into a realistic animated scene. Now, I'll upload another image and repeat the same process. After uploading the image, I'll enter a suitable prompt and click Generate Video. In just a few moments, the second video is ready as well. As you can see, the quality of the generated videos is amazing. You can easily create AI videos like these for free using this website. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll be back with another method next time, showing you how to create AI videos in just 2 minutes. Thank you for watching.